Good afternoon, everybody. So I'm going to go over and talk about a few things that I think are pretty important. As some of you might know, I actually help people invest in ICOs, and I do some swing trading in Bitcoin. I'm a miner. Actually, I'm an Ethereum miner. And I'm going to try and do a quick video every day for everybody. It's really difficult to do at night, so I'm going to try and just knock it out every afternoon. But today, I just kind of wanted to go over Bitconnect. First off, I am a Bitconnect investor, but very small. I just dabble. I play in it because honestly, I don't trust the system. I put $300 in back in, I think it was August. Yeah, so I put $300 in back in August, and it's doubled since then, which is great. 600 total investment. I've earned 315. So I'm not a big wig with BitConnect, and I don't push it a lot. I haven't built a whole channel on it. Although some of those guys I love, Trevon James, I love his videos. I like to plug that guy because he's done a lot. However, I did notice that he sold all of his coins recently, and it started. I think the guy's made $1 million with BitConnect, just with the YouTube and reinvesting and everything. And I know he still has, he might have $500,000 still invested in BitConnect, but something tells me he's going to lose it. And I think that something is happening with BitConnect, with the way they've been changing their affiliate program, knocking out some of the tiers. And I've been watching some other videos. Guys have been doing a little bit more of a deeper investigation into BitConnect, kind of following the money and seeing where it all leads. A lot of it seems to lead. I mean, from one video that I saw, what is it? N-Chain, I think. N-Chain. This is a company. Apparently, this is a company that basically puts out all the systems for these big pyramid scams, pyramid scheme type websites. ETHConnect, BitConnect, and there've been some others. And so this is kind of freaking me out a little bit because I guess there's kind of a business model that they follow, and there are certain time frames put to it. Somebody calculated the income generated from BitConnect, and basically predicted that BitConnect's supposed to come crashing down by like the first week of December. So, will that happen? I don't know. I don't know what's coming. I didn't put any money in here that I didn't expect to lose anyway, to be honest. It's just kind of a fun thing to check it every day, reinvest my $10, see how high it goes before it crumbles. I know that sounds stupid, but, I never expected to make a lot of money with BitConnect, or to put a lot more money in it to start with. So, that being said, enter at your own risk. It all sounds great. And, sites like these, I mean, they never last forever. I mean, if it is a Ponzi, whatever, if it's not a Ponzi, a lot of people have done research saying that BitConnect is absolutely sustainable based off of the BitConnect coin and, how they operate everything. I don't know. So we'll see. If after the 1st of December everything is still going strong, then, everything's good. But I suspect a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money. Probably, like if I were to guess, based off of all of the hoopla and all the FUD and everything else, with a lot of these other platforms that are kind of coming and going lately, I think the weather is about to get much more stormy for these kinds of platforms, including BitConnect. So, that being said, a couple of the ICOs that I have had some clients invest in, one of them is POWR Ledger, which, I got one of my clients in at about 5 cents, which was the ICO price. And, it's been doing pretty well. I will say that I screwed up big and I sold it a little early. And then bought back in because I was kind of watching charts and I bought back into it. So, it's one of those things where we're ahead. I mean, we're doing well, but, I did kind of I screwed us both a little bit. But POWR Ledger, it looks like a very solid platform. I mean, it looks like something that's definitely going to grow quite a bit. Over time. I think this is going to be a 2018 big win. It's already up, but they've already got systems in place, and they're already operational in Australia. So this is definitely something that I would suggest keeping tabs on. Buying in at 19 cents right now is probably a pretty solid buy, even though you could have got it at the ICO. Another one that I got in at a penny a piece with the ICO is Electroneum. Now, I love Electroneum. I love Electroneum for the novelty of it. I love that you can kind of mine it on a mobile phone, even though it's more of a fake mining operation. It's more for looks, I think, than actually mining. The only thing I don't like about Electroneum is, I've built a complete 6 GPU mining rig from scratch. I cannot figure out how to mine this shit. So I've tried several different miners. I know that it's primarily for CPU mining. Maybe you're not even supposed to mine this at all with a GPU rig, but I know people have been doing it. I cannot get it to work. I've tried to get it to work on Claymore. I've used different pools and everything. I just can't get it to work. I've even tried the little one-click miner thing, and after like a couple days, nothing had been sent to the wallet. I don't know what's happening. Um, Overall, though, I do like the coin. Apparently it's a big marketing company that put this out. They're not even really a big blockchain development firm. But regardless, I think it's a pretty novel idea. They've just been having problems with hacking attempts and things like that. So they've got everything shut down, which has caused this to just kind of go down. It's still go down. This was at 5 cents yesterday. That's a 5x return off the ICO. I think it'll go back up. I just think they need to get Amazon in gear and making the repairs and fixes that they need to get this thing rolling forward. They showed the mobile miner in action in a video recently, just to kind of let people know, hey, this isn't a big, fake operation here. We're seriously here. Here's our team. Here's our president. Here's everybody. We're real. We're not like some kid in a basement somewhere. So, I do think it's a legitimate operation, and I know this is really hurting them. I personally, even at 3 cents, if you can get in now, just buy it. Get 20,000, 30,000 of them. If it goes up to 5 cents, 6 cents here in the near future, which I think it probably will, I think it's going to spike quite a bit once this train starts moving. I think right now people are mining it. Some people are figuring it out. I've not been that lucky. Anybody that figures it out, please put out a solid step-by-step tutorial on how you get it to work on 6 NVIDIA 1070 Founders Edition GPUs. I really greatly appreciate it. But that's it for today. I just wanted to go over a few little quick points, and I will see you tomorrow. Stay true, Crypto Crows.